Himsaw's Double Miter series offers an affordable and versatile solution for all your general sawing needs. Three different models are available depending on your capacity needs. The double miter saw provides both speed and accuracy in mitering angles up to 45 degrees in both directions and 60 degrees in left miter. Pivot the arm to the desired angle as indicated on the protractor scale, while the hydraulic vise clamps the material securely during the cut. Fast and accurate cuts are easily made every time. The patent hydraulic system bow feed allows for fine regulation of both feed rates and cutting pressure for effective metal removal rates, whether you are sawing solids or structural. The double-sealed bearing point for the miter pivot on the saw arm allows for stress-free and smooth mitering. The bearing point is easily serviceable to provide many years of trouble-free use. The double miter saws are designed to be compact, therefore taking up less floor space while still providing the reliable saw features you need when cutting various materials. Optional inbound or outbound idle roller tables are available for material handling. They are designed to move bars with ease and accuracy and can be easily connected to create your own sawing station.